Hi everybody. Today I'll show you how to make Instagram bio multiple lines. So as you can see here that we are inside our Instagram profile. So to edit our bios to the multiple lines, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is to click on edit profile, and here you can see the option on the bio here. So you have to tap on that. So here let's just write down something. So I'm gonna write down YouTuber here. So we have the YouTuber. You can see one thing here, and there is a limit of the characters on our bio. So we cannot write down more than 150 characters in our bio. So to make this multiple line, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is to tap on this enter button that you have on your phone. So it might be different on the iPhone, but this is how it looks on the Android phone. So you're going to simply tap on that, and now you are on the new line. So let me just add the influencer. Simply, if I want to go on a new line, I'm going to simply tap on this enter button. And here what you can do, we can simply add video creator. And again, if I want to go on a new line, I will simply tap on this button. And this is how we can make Instagram bio a multiple lines, which actually looks good on your Instagram. So if I want to save this, I'm going to simply click on this check icon at the top on the right side, and it will save our bio. We're going to go back, and now you'll be able to see my bio, and each word is in on a new line. Okay, so this is how you can make Instagram bio multiple lines. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.